because I don't make me have to dark up the place, you know.
Let me shake good for the summer, right, Joe? And around if you have a look at them, I say go.
Let me down, you know. Hey! You couldn't wait! Say you couldn't wait. Look how far him see me I come from. Wash your ears. Wash your ears. Can't say a girl in a bed and your ears don't wash. Nobody trying to teach the people them making our judgments and all this.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Moyaspencersahs and I'm back with another freaking video. Guys, today is Friday. Happy weekend, y'all. And I'm about to go to Nutsford to drop off a wig package. So I said this is the wig. It's the one with the cornrows. And as you can see, clean, washed properly, quality, real good still. This is how I put in the bag. I give them a wig cap, a band, and a lash. Because I get a lot of them. Every time I get a wig, I get those. So I just say no, so I give them away too. I ain't got a clue, bro. So what can I say to you? Alright, so I'm gonna get you. You know how long me in there? At the first, maybe I'm gonna for the and take so long. I'm going to the pharmacy now because my vitamin done. Afternoon. For sure? Yes.
Things here, and some of those reflect at different times that there's not.
Them not wait, I forgot wait till I got offer you tomorrow. You don't have the general gummy vitamins? Just the. Alright, thank you. But I got offer you tomorrow, my buy. Guys, I'm going to the supermarket now and no, not gonna grocery shopping. I only need 3 things. And right now I only remember 2. I need a case of tissue. I'm gonna need garbage bags. Maya, please do not go to the supermarket. Go take up more than what you need. Don't piss me off. Garbage, tissue. That's it. Now let's buy 3 of them.
I'm off day, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth.
Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. And of course, I never buy the 2 something of them alone. But it's not a lot of stuff. Because I even make it in the express line. So you know, I don't really enough things. Are less than 10 things. But it still comes to 17k. I think I got the chicken and the shrimp still. I just buy 1 bag of shrimp, 1 bag of chicken. Because you know, I need something to cook with you actually eat. They look, it's okay there, but honestly, I don't want that. God no. I don't want that. Today Friday, I'm a feel for KFC. I know it's a sin. Like, I'm really looking to myself for go join a KFC drive through up on a Friday, but I want to feel for. I don't want to look at Tokyo for 2. And look at Tokyo empty, you know? Like, God tell me, say, I just go in and look at Tokyo like it's empty, I'll get through same time. But I really don't want that. I feel for like a KFC. I really feel for like a KFC. I feel for a nice thing and some fries and stuff.
Always holding you down. You down.
Guys, so I reached the drive through and the people them not having nothing. You know, I deserve this because I'm too enough. Look at okay there right there, so I'm gonna go buy, but no. I really feel if you're nice because I know, but them not having nothing, guys. As the lady come to tell my order, she say, I all have spice chicken and original chicken, nothing else, nothing on nothing famous or nothing. I really want a nice thing a box. But I just order a big deal straight spicy. I can't eat that off obviously, but you know, I'm probably hungry again at the night, so I'm gonna eat probably 1 or 2 of the piece them now. And no little barbecue, Lord God, nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Guys, today is Saturday and I'm going to offer you to get quite a few stuff done. Shipping company. I want to go to the bikini store to see if I can get an outfit for tomorrow. I have a river party, Isaac River party tomorrow, where all the TikTokers are going to be. I need to go to the wholesale to get some earrings. Oh, and I need to wash my car for sure. Car dirty bad. Wash it and make them put some air in the tires. But yeah, so I have quite a little shopping and vibes to do. Alright guys, so I reach, I'm gonna get parking, thank God. So the first store I'm gonna go in now at the bikini store. Let's go.
What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding.
Yeah, I'm stopping at the jewelry store for take out the link out to the watch my buy the other day. Yeah, so I support her and I put her on my vlog. She said, you want to come on vlog? Hi. Nice to meet you, honey.
Thank you. Just look at me.
Thank you. Thank you. But you guys are trailing. I got to go, so I'm just sorry for him. I need some anklets. You need some anklets?
Then we just mad fuck. We was living fast as fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying or something. Sorry.
And so just get a regular pink bikini because I have a pink cover from a company I need to promote. So I ordered this. I just get this for wear underneath it. I got my vitamins too. Adult gummies. Oh, and I got an anklet when I got the watch, the links or the watch taken out. I got a nice anklet. Got food coloring because me and teacher are supposed to bake a cake together soon. So I got blue and red. I got some medicated earrings. Very flashing and on the foot, but What's on? Alright guys, so I'm at my shipping company now. Let's go collect our packages. I feel hungry now, you know. Yeah, mama feel hungry now. What am I gonna eat?
So fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry. I was counting zeros.
Just remember that I need a wax stick. My wax stick done. So I'm gonna come up and share looks down to get her wax stick coming out in a lineup. Her stuff is really good. Like the wax stick I have for about 2 years now, and best believe say all this time I have the wax stick my all did last the cover and it still work.
Hometown hero, niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get the wax stick. What we are gonna eat guys? What we are gonna eat?
Give it to your sexy, rude gal swag. Rebel, I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, rebel. A rebel is a bad girl, the eye. Ready for whatever kind. It's a girl I walk with her head in the sky. And I'm a tight, shy, oh yes. We full up at the bad girl Phoenix. And I'm a sick of that tongue in the gully or the red carpet. You be busy. I can be a good girl, I can be bad, I can be a lady. Give it to your sexy, rude girl swag. Get it gon' be the best you ever had. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel.
Tell them customers say drive so bad.
Me I take when me want. We got the flavor, we are the best, we baddest. We from Jamaica, we can live. Your love is wicked, wicked, wicked. You could stay with me another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. Cause I'll give anything to hear you say. Love in my mind eternally, your love is wicked. Don't you know? Shanice!
Later. Alright. Guys, but just see my primary school best friend. And you know across my sister across and I say, oh God, nobody now gonna get the lady with the baby across and I'ma stop. Oh my look, I said I'm on a Shanice that. Oh, some Friday that one man said no sorry that look like Shanice so. But anyways guys, back to the music.
And when you get down, you know it's wicked. You can't live in other place. Your love is wicked, wicked, wicked. Baby, I loved you from the very start. You that you would break my heart. And I wish you could stay with me another day. Wish you could change your mind and make you stay. Never do forget over you. Anybody have a remedy or a cure? Come and carry feelings for you. But your love is wicked. Why your love is wicked? Why your love is wicked?
Fuck no, I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
So I'm back in the car. I'm get my patty and my food. But when I order my card, never did I go through and I don't understand. I've been using my card all day. I'm showing the food. I may try log into the Scotia app and it now work. Squash, don't make me have to dark up the place now. Oh, okay, this is good. Test it. Cook food is really good. But I'm gonna eat the patty now and then eat the food later. I'm gonna try again. Cause they don't want me to dark up the place now. I call TJ because I complain to him like I always do whenever something is going wrong. Alright, well I'm still a try, but I take 500 years. Suppose I try to make me and them have nothing today, you know. Yeah, see that now I'm at my sign in. Bro, is that history?
Yeah.
Oh, I did that. I use my card. I'm a card. I use for money, you know. And a 3 times the girl run it. Yeah.
How much time you use it?
Everywhere I go. My shipping company.
Yeah, open your browser, then you see the little book at the bottom of your screen.
If I call them, I'm up on the road. I can wash the car now. So either when I'm dead or when I reach home, I call them. Alright. Scotia? Okay. Which I'm gonna buy the juice? Damn, I buy the juice. That patty is even fresh. Sure. Yeah. But that's I eat my patty and then I go do car wash next door. I make them wash the car. I do wash the inside too, but I'm not gonna do it because I have the bag them and something. I can't, but I forgot to take them out of the car for them wash it. So I'm just gonna make them wash the outside today. But I'm wash the car and wash the inside.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday and we're going to a brunch party. Y'all, I just did my hair and my makeup. Y'all see this wig? Oh my god, like the curls is giving. It's giving me paradise. It's giving me mermaid. Like I just love it. Let me show y'all the full outfit, okay? Alright guys, so this is my outfit. I wore this in Panama, but we never get my picture, so I have to bring it back. So the outfit is from Shein, the bag is from Shein. I have on my orange dress, hopefully I could see. My earrings, I bought in a store and have a tree, I don't remember the name. And the wig is from, I'll let you guys know whenever they pay me my money, okay? But tell me what y'all think.
This shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. I'm sorry to say that.
Good for the summer, right? True. And around if you have a look at girl yourself, go. You know what I mean? Just catch it with a bad suit. So pick up the girl on the outside, and you enjoy yourself. So the good for China girl, who want to start to do the right yourself. Oh my God, friend, now when you're hard licking her back.
shuttle. They made the shuttle bus go left way. So now we have to walk from the parking lot to the party. Well, no, from the party to the parking lot. So it's a good little walk. Them run back drunk. Don't let me down, you know. Hey, you couldn't wait. Say you couldn't wait. Look how far him see me I come from. Him could have wait. Guys, we are walking. But the little car, him see me I come. Him could have wait. Look. Hold on.
We are walk. Mr. We are lower than walk.
Because the bus will make the bus go left for you because they're just drunk and
Just correct. We can't do my lifestyle.
you are right there, so. Not the school that the son and the church. Jesus is not that far.
We up this so.
That's how we could the church they ready so silly.
Oh, Jesus. Yes, sir, that's a guafi car. It's not in there, so.
And not in there, so. It's not there, so. What's up? It's not there,
Which
so.
area they park away?
You don't park in there, so. You park down there, so. Exactly. So now that I'm telling you, right? My video, my old school. Guys, this is the school I went to. This is the school I went to, guys. My prep school, bright school, period. Yeah, so this is where the parking is. Unity prep. 1 unit, number 2, period. Yeah, it's a reach Dolly's and there's no. Good morning, guys. Hangover. It's Monday. I just woke up in my towel. I put on my towel and so let me start vlogging. Yeah, I fell asleep in my makeup, which is so bad. So bad. Like, it's like me I look a breakout with forget because I've been doing everything wrong when it comes to my skin. Like, girl, we want to start breaking out. I'm so tired. Like, make have a good shower, make some breakfast because we didn't eat last night. We'll come from the club, which is a first because we usually do. But I don't know, I guess we did so tired. Oh, by the way, I'm using Antol because my cotton buds finished. I have to go buy back soon. And it's not good either, you know. It's not good for you either, but sure. I'm gonna do. But tired, you see? I feel like a truck run over me, like literally. I feel so horrible right now. I'm not watching, I'm not even tired of doing this. No, sir. It's a carelessness of going, man. And I see more up and go bed so I can get something to eat. Because, oh shoot, I'm have a week for wash. Lord God. I have a week for wash. I have to wash the week before me even go live. Because I need it for dry so I can drop it off. That's right. I can't make that customer there. Not get her something today. Oh my God. Why do we do this to ourselves? Well, I know why. I'm working, but still, like, I better when I'm good at inventing my something. But anyways, yeah, last night the brunch was so nice. And we got food there, which I love. Like, from where there, every party we go, well, not every party, but most of the big parties that I go, they be having Little Caesar and Popeyes there and Krispy Kreme. I don't know what kind of thing is going on, but I love it. Nothing nicer to me that we can go a party and get food. That is so nice. And I need every other party promoter to start doing that. Like, let there be food at your events. We need to eat, okay? I love when I can get food on party. That just give a party AA plus.
Fame ain't changed shit with my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems for. Is girl, what is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for. Is girl.
Y'all, the water is so cold. Oh my god.
What is love?
Wash your ears. Wash your ears. Can't say a girl in a bed and your ears don't wash. No. Wash your ears. Alright guys, we're done the show and everything. Feeling so nice and refreshed. Don't mind. Oh my look so fixed up. We're gonna make some breakfast, you know. I have some bacon. Oh, it's out fancy. Right. Alright, I have some bacon here. I'm gonna make an omelette and some eggs. So that may defend right now. My strawberry eggs. How much more? Yeah, strawberry eggs. I'm gonna make tea now, but honestly, the time too hot. Like, I know I need to drink tea, but every time I come to it, every time I come close to making the tea, I'm like, oop, never mind, I'll just drink some juice. Alright guys, so let's make our omelette now. Get my baby frying pot. Guys, I have a little topic to talk about. I'm actually curious. I want to know my opinion on this. So, every time I go to parties, right, eventually there's always a gospel segment. And I don't know, but I don't think it is okay when I'm making the echoes in my toast. I don't know why, but for some reason, I'm not like it. I feel like I don't know, there's a time and place for everything, black pepper, y'all, and salt. And it's like, you see, because at a party, obviously people are drinking and smoke, and you know, it's like it's not a holy place or a godly place. It says like whenever I hear them plays, and then as I see people drunk and everything, so people are sing while they're drunk and do the most. I don't know if it's holy or if it's okay, because I know the Bible says something about wherever people gather, something like that, like God is always in the midst or something along those lines. But I don't know, for some reason I always think that enough for me. Like I just feel like if it's a party, it's a party. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe nothing wrong with that, and they can praise the Lord anytime, anywhere. But for some reason I just always feel like it's wrong. But let me know what y'all think. If y'all ever go party and know what me talk about when they play the gospel segment, let me know if y'all agree or disagree. Well, I never know what my echoes burn up, you know. Ah! Burn! But through my chat too, I'm forget it there. What about it? It's alright. But as I say, if there's any Christians in the house that knows a lot about the Bible and you would know if it's okay or not, let me know. Because I'm really curious. Because for some reason it always just feels so wrong to me. I feel like when I make a mockery of God. That's kind of how it feels sometimes. Oh guys, we have too much oil. So. The strawberry cream cheese is so good. I'm really glad my buy it. Tastes good to see? But this is how it looks, guys. It's so good. Like literally, it's in a nicer frit. So I put it on the bottom of my egos. I put cream cheese on the bottom of my egos. If you've never tried it before, or if you don't have egos waffle, because waffle is not the better thing when you make it from scratch. But if you love cream cheese, try it, y'all. It's so good. Now, time for this syrup. Syrup on top, y'all. Not too much, because you know you already have your cream cheese, so it's already sweet. Guys, my breakfast is looking yummy. I'm gonna get these juice. And I know he favors me because no tea. I'm sorry, time to what, man? No tea around here. Sorry. Oh, Love me some juicy juice. Guys, I'm tired now. No, so I can't leave, but I have 2 weeks for wash. A 2 week I have not one. I'm gonna want to put them on the line now because when I'm done, when I come off alive, I'm gonna just figure up them out. So I just gonna wash them and put them on the line. I don't have time to get the hot water method, but it's fine though. A good quality with them, so I got them. But I have the short one, the closure, and the 30-inch. The 30-inch French towel. Oh, the water warm. That's good. That's gonna help me. The water warm, guys. Silicone mix. Like I always show them. The water warm. So, I know how I turn on the warm water. I'll go to it warm. Now I'm gonna add the silicone mix to both wigs. Not too much, because these wigs are very soft, like the ear texture already soft. But if you have a wig where you struggle with, where you probably have for long, like years, and the wig get tough and nutty, they can add a lot of it. It really helps to smooth out back the wig them. I wash out back the conditioner now, and then I go put it in your soft for that. Ooh, I'm a finger them here and keep it while it wet. Look at that? Nice. I like the way your body is. You know how long when I come out here, so? I usually put them on the line. Nobody trying to tip the people them making our judgments and all this. Oh. Alright guys, let's look them there. On the line. Rain about to fall, I'm gonna do them for dry so I can drop off the people them week because they are already paid for. My background make it look like I live at one nice place of country. But no. I don't. Boy. Where's the man? Nice, it's giving country girl. I wish I was a country girl sometimes actually. Sometimes don't life too hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready for go live now. So first thing I'm gonna spray up the video. I love the hair, I see it's so nice. I love when the company send me curly, but I'm not like with the angle of color the wig. If any company watching this and plan to send me any more wig, I can get a colored wig, please. Lord, a little purple, a little blue, a little red, something more. Why am I tired of black hair now, but say it go. But black hair could have killed me. Where's spray my color? Oh. Say it right now, man. Want a little color, a little. Bust me on a color, man. Bust the dog on a color now. Yeah? I get to understand so people think I wear makeup and when I go live and it's like me and met somebody I go live twice every day. Me could I really do makeup just to go live? Hell no, this is natural, babe. But no time for that. There are some girls that do it for choosing. There are some girls that wear makeup to go live, but awesome. You know how much makeup take work, you know? Last night, my list there lift in my seat and I go in our bathroom. So, and it not lift now. So, we'll make it there lift for the party. I must see there sweater or something. So, if you saw me looking crazy, it wasn't me, okay? It wasn't me. So, she saw me in the corner. How could I forget that I had given made her an extra key. All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Oh yeah. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If you say and I can't I say a day. Never admit to a word what she say. Met so much of my supporters yesterday. Oh my god, I love you guys so much. And I got to realize that I don't only have young fans, because for some reason I always feel like I just like young girls watch me, but I met a grown lady, like very mature. She was telling me that she was my vlogs, and I was like, really? I was so shocked. So shout out to my grown girlies that's watching me. I appreciate you guys. I love meeting you guys. And if you see me, come hug me up and talk to me. Don't wave to me from across the road, because I'm not gonna know if I'm you or not talk, guys. And I'm very shy, so I'm not gonna just see somebody wave over there and pick up say me, because sometimes I forget that I am known. Like literally, sometimes I forget that I'm popular. So me I gonna look and I wonder if I really me. So if you want to get the vibes, come to me, man, and hug me up. I make me on the talk and vibe and put in the vlog if you don't want in the vlog, if you're not shy. Somebody did shy, so they never want to be in the vlog, which is okay. But I just love you, man. So stop being shy. I don't bite. Even if my face screw up, sometimes I demand them me run on my face screw up. I don't know. Whereas if my dep on my own, me happy. So that man them rest me and on them on my ears. But I promise to know, even if I have a resting bitch face, still come to me. I love you guys so much. And yeah, come talk to me. I love you, man.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you have.
So yeah, so this is how I get ready for lives, guys. I do not, but just put on a regular t-shirt, my little shin comfy homey t-shirt there, comb out my ear, put on little lip gloss, and comb my everyday, nothing more. So for everybody who keep on think someone put on makeup, no I don't. This is me. Again, now for two. Guys, my there's a whole long and Nikki there chat and I record nothing. Come again, Nikki, I have to say it.
Step no man who never get the call. This is
Yeah.
Nikki and me and Maya's on live, and guess what? Now we're there, so we're enjoying ourselves for the people them. Boom dum bam dum. Tops and Roses team. I need to know for run go over YouTube. Subscribe to Maya YouTube channel, guys. Like, comment, and share.
Period.
Boom dum bam dum. Girly whirly, shirley whirly.
It's like I'm literally about to cry, and I'm trying not to. Tell me why I'm already late to go to 6 o'clock. They close at 7. I took off the 2 weeks off the line, package them and everything. Rush, get ready. If you notice me, even wet my ear or nothing. But I try to head out. Tell me why my car isn't starting. Like, I'm going out of the car, I sit down everything, and I'm like, what's going on? The car isn't starting. Like, I'm lazy about the car, because this is not happening to me right now. Let me try this shit again. Y'all hear that sound? That's the sound I'm hearing. TJ is on his way. I told him to come because he might forget to me. I do not want to not drop off these packages. I'm not going to text anybody with any excuse, because one thing about me, I take everything I do seriously. So I promise my customers they will get in the week, and I'm going to drop it off. So I'm begging for come pick me up fast and carry me. And then when we come back, we come look on the car, but it's not starting. Let's make a run go put on a big band, because my lace no look so wonderful in the day. The TJ, hurry up. I don't want the place locked in, but as I was saying, guys, you see the fact that I take the people their money, I don't play with people money. So I took your money for a week and you're gonna get this week. I'm so stressed out because I can't. I don't even know what wrong with the car. It's just not coming on. Like it now, come on. No matter how I press the power button, it's just not coming on. God, I'm not your strongest soldier. I cannot manage this. Please spare me on this test right here. I can't do it. Okay, he's coming, y'all. Let me show you. There he is. Yeah, he comes to help me. You see? What happened to it? Oh my god.
At your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time.
Guys, the line long like I was, so I'm big. One man owe my space, make a buy food, I look at Tokyo. So that by the time I done that, I have the food and I can just go back home to fix the car. Hi, afternoon. Can I get a large noodles and fried rice with crispy wings and sweet chili chicken?
When I really can't afford to be, I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stairs, couple.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go and eat. The line move it, so I just go and eat until I see like it move. I'm going there. I'm hungry, bad. You what's up? Come my food down. You know somebody now? Crispy wings and no sweet chili. Nice. Guys, I'm home and I am so mad. Like if you cut me, you're gonna see no blood. Little more, me have to channel my teenager Maya on the road. Imagine right, I got nuts for drop off the wig them. Cause remember me telling you, even though the car now work, me nah go make that stop me from delivering the wigs them, because once I accept people money for any type of product, whether it's clothes, wig, whatever me I sell, they have to get it. I don't play with people money. So I'm go, but I end up go late. And usually around those time, that's the time where like most business persons go, or like courier service like bike man with them wally pop package them collect for the day. So once you go them time there, you're guaranteed a long wait. Fine. Me didn't know, and I was in the line, but I asked somebody for hold my space because I was going back to the car to get my bag, right? When I come back in the line, when I come back, the door was closed. So me I knock cause I'm like, yeah, no lock 7 o'clock, but I was here before 7. I was in the line like the girl that hold my space. So let me in. Me I knock. Nobody now answer. The people them now open. Everybody just look for me. Nobody now open the door. Someone knock and I say from the things to me. Now come back in here so come deliver my package. Only make a sad mistake to that. I'm already there before 7 o'clock. Bear in mind, you know, them letting one them friend them at 7 o'clock on the dot. Lock the door for everybody else and letting somebody with them know at 7 o'clock. So if them they think them not gonna deliver my package today, they make a sad mistake. So I'm knock, but there's a knock, so come say. And bear in mind, you know, while I'm knocking, it's a see-through glass. Like if you know the nuts for that boulevard, it's a see-through glass. So the people them literally see me stand up outside and I knock. I want girl in there, big up yourself girl. I want girl in there for argue with the worker them and say, hello, the girl did there. She did there all long, like she never just come open the door and let her in. After beer back and forth, eventually she come open the door. But they were going so terrible. But you see the whole time I try my way to calm myself. I remember say my time and place. Remember say I do media now. You don't need to be a terrible on the road. If nobody go video and put you up, but me do really bad for going bad, because you don't need to know how to communicate and talk to people and professionalism. Like all you had to do was come to the door, ask what is going on, were you here before, or if because remember, you know, let's say I did come at 7 o'clock or I came when the time closed. If you hear somebody knock, it is common courtesy or professionalism to just go to the door and say, hey, I'm so sorry, we're closed now, you'll have to try to come again tomorrow. You just have somebody there knock, somebody said, say, yeah, I feel let me in today. Oh no, I feel let me in for me deliver my package. Don't play with me. But anyways, guys, somebody end up delivering the 2 package them. My car is still not working because it's too late for go try to get battery. Teacher says it look like the battery either dead or not working. I don't even know what it is. So maybe tomorrow. And I'm so sad about that. Like we're so close to crying now because this obviously, guys, my first car. I've never had to experience any of this. All of this is new to me. But you know, teacher being there done that. Same I know say Maya, this is how car go. Sometimes I have car problem, but it's like I don't have to deal with this. But yeah, and you see one thing about me. Is it any little inconvenience me have? Is it one of 2 things or both? I'm gonna call my man and I'm going to cry. And for the old day, I say, Maya, don't cry. It's a big girl now. Get serious. Get serious, girl. No, too much balling. And I'm very bally. If you don't know, my ball fit anything. I will ball if I'm hungry and can't get food. I'm bally bad. So me I try my best for say Maya, enough for that is a big woman now. You have care problem, this is normal, this is okay. Just the way you have to do. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can figure out what's wrong with my car because I get so comfortable with having a car. I'm not getting a like, guys. Having a car is a comfort where you're not gonna ever understand until you actually have one. Like, you see, now that I not have the car, it's like I just feel so uncomfortable because if I want to go on the road now, whatever, I have to go Uber, big teacher for drop me, and it's like, no, I like to not to just go, you know, like hop in my car and go. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to get it fixed. But guys, it's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Shout out to all my babies that I've met this week, all my subscribers. Loving us so much. See you guys when I see y'all. Bye.